Now here we're going to do equation of planes. So how to find equation of a plane? So there are three ways to find equation of a plane. So the first criteria is when the normal to the plane is given, normal to the plane is given, and its distance from the origin is given. Okay, so we have to find the equation of a plane whose normal to the plane and distance from the origin is given. So this form is known as the normal form. This form is known as normal form. So let's try to find the equation of such ones. So it is known as normal form. So let's try to find. So first what I will do is I will draw the 3D axis. So here we have got the 3D axis. Now we have that plane. So here we have our plane. Now it says that we have the normal to the plane. Now normal to the plane means what? It is perpendicular to the plane from the origin. So from here I will draw a line in here, and this one is nothing but it's perpendicular to the plane. So here we're gonna write, this is what we get. Now let's give it a name. Let's write here N, and this one is what? O. Now it says what? That whenever we find equation of a line, we take a general point, that is xy. Xy is a general point. The equation of a line basically we get as what? Y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So we get a general point, that is xy, which signifies each and every point on the line. Now same ways in a plane, I will take a general point P. I will take a general point P, and the position vector of this point P will be what? The position vector of this point P will be this one. This is how we get position vector of the point P, and that position vector is denoted by R vector. Clear? So these are the things which we have. Now another thing they have given is that they have said the distance from the origin is given. Now let's say the distance from the origin is D. So this distance is my D. Suppose this distance is my D, and the vector, normal vector is given. So normal vector, it means what? Let's say the unit vector is n cap. So d n cap is the vector which is perpendicular to the plane, which we got this thing. Now we can complete this triangle and form like this. So we have from O to N, we have a vector that is given by dn cap, and we have np. So like this way, let us write. Here we have OP vector is given by R vector, then ON vector is given by dn cap, and then the next one is np vector. Now we have learned addition of triangles. Now by looking at it, we can see that ON vector plus np vector is equal to OP vector. We can write like this. So in here, if I have to find np vector, so I will take ON that side. So we have OP vector minus ON vector. So OP vector is my R vector minus dn cap. So this is how we get all the three vectors which forms the triangle. But we need what? Equation of that plane. So how to find equation of the plane? So to find equation of the plane, we'll take two vectors which are perpendicular to each other. So I see that np vector and ON vector are perpendicular to each other. Then we know that when two vectors are perpendicular, the dot product of them is 0. So I will just do what? I will do the dot product of these two. So let us say, since ON vector is perpendicular to NP vector, so ON dot NP is equal to 0. So my ON vector is what? It is dn cap dot, and NP vector is what? It is R minus dn cap. Now I see that d is a constant, its magnitude. So if this one is equal to 0, so the d goes away. So we have n cap R dot dn cap is equal to 0. Now this implies what? This implies, we'll just do the, this one is minus sign, sorry. So n dot R, we can write this one as R dot n, or we can write n dot R, but the nicer thing is to write it as R dot n. So R dot n minus d n cap dot n cap. Now I told you that n cap dot n cap is the unit vector which are having the same direction. So n cap dot n cap is 1. So we have r vector dot n cap minus d equal to 0. So my equation of the plane will be r vector dot n cap is equal to d. That's my equation of the plane, where n cap is the normal to the plane and d is the distance from the origin.